Making money with ClickFunnels involves leveraging its tools to create effective sales funnels for various revenue streams. Here's how. Sell products or services. Create sales funnels to sell physical products, digital products, or services. Use ClickFunnels templates for high-converting sales pages, upsells, and order forms. Integrate payment gateways like Stripe or PayPal for seamless transactions. Offer membership sites. Use ClickFunnels to set up membership sites where customers pay for exclusive content, such as tutorials or community access. Recurring subscriptions can create a steady income stream. Promote affiliate products. Use ClickFunnels to build affiliate marketing funnels, including review pages or bridge funnels, to drive traffic to affiliate offers. Earn commissions for every sale made through your funnel. Provide funnel building services. Learn ClickFunnels and offer services as a funnel consultant to businesses. Charge fees for creating, optimizing, or managing funnels. Join ClickFunnels affiliate program. Promote ClickFunnels itself and earn recurring commissions by referring customers. Launch webinars. Create automated or live webinar funnels to sell high-ticket products or coaching services.